This is Joe Bennett, live Blitz chess, bird opening. A little bit of fun here on chess.com. This is good. This isn't a bad move here. Also, remember that this can transpose into Sicilian games, which are very good, with bishop e2 being played and bishop to e3, a4, preventing b5, knight c3. He delayed knight f6 a long time. That was pretty sweet. Respect him for that. And then keep going. Keep rolling. Bishop f3 is very often played here. Much of the time. Put the king on h1. It's just play that a lot of great grandmasters play in these positions, honestly. Open up for my rook. I can actually get a slight edge with e5 here. There's my bishop supporting it. He didn't always want to trade those knights because e5 can be played. He's got to play e5 himself if he trades knights like that. And then accept that my bishop's going to get on the diagonal right here with his queen and his rook. If his rook's there, his rook doesn't have to be there. I'm going to come in like this. And then remember that his bishop can't come to b7 because knight snaps on b5 with a huge advantage. Queen to d8 is better. Oh, he's lost. This is just so good. This is so good. He must protect his bishop, and then I can come in and protect you know, my own advantage by playing knight to d6. Yes, knight to d6. Rook comes up and over. There's plenty of attack here. The king side can be attacked if need be, and the queen side could also be attacked. Who knows what the best sequence is, possibly even just preserving the advantage and pushing the h pawn up and deciding not to choose a side to attack is also an idea here. But you gotta remember that he played that knight move, so I'm gonna dream of some attack on the king side now because the knight went to the queen side. And the rook has so much distance here that I can just take here. But it's actually best to take with the other rook. And there's a mate in 3 on the 7th rank here. The pawn's rank. Yeah, that was a total blowout. Total blowout. Those pawn moves led me going to that position favorably that he played. So that was like a Sicilian game. And I've studied those lines a lot. Well, that's an interesting move. I'm just going to stop, though, because that's not going to apply to theory. Thank you for watching the bird game. My name's Joe B.